Hello everyone. Meron naman po tayong isang another visa approved from Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver,
Ay, thank you SIC Global Consultant. Salamat po.
so Mr. Oliver, can you please share with us your process here, our SIC Global Consultants?
Alright. During the process, I did not encounter any problem. It was very smooth, very quick actually. In 2.5 months, uh, only very fast. I got my visa approved in 2.5 months.
So, Mr. Oliver, congratulations. We are so happy for you and thank you for choosing SIC Global Consultant.
Thank you, Miss Isha.
Thank you.
Thank you, SIC Global Consultant. Hi, my name is Oliver. I got my work visa approved with the help of SIC Global Consultant, and I'm traveling soon to Croatia. Thank you, SIC Global Consultant.